So I need to fix my fridge because we're going camping for a week. Going to a music festival and this thing don't work, so I gotta fix it before we leave this weekend. So we'll do this one first. So it's apparently not an uncommon thing for your Dometic fridge to give out. Seen a few other posts on the Ember forums, on the Ember Facebook. About 6 months ago our refrigerator quit working, so today I have to fix it because in a week less than a week we're going camping. We're going to Halloween again, so I need to get our fridge fixed because it quit working, and it's perfect weather to do so. So I need to get this pulled out. You see it's already kind of leaning out because I was messing with it 6 months ago. There's a lot of water dripping out of something somewhere, so that's not good. Pull this out, and I think there's just an access panel on the back bottom kind of side of it where I need to pull out a fuse and replace that, so let's give that a shot. And hopefully that's all there is to fix this thing, because if not, then we're kind of stuck using our outside mini fridge for a week and multiple people, so this needs to work. So batteries are looking good. Just a little cloudy overcast day. Alright, so first steps is to disconnect the power, that way I can safely work on the refrigerator. Those are off. And flip the breaker. Right, because from what I understand, the solar wires are directly tied into the fridge, so you gotta make sure the solar is completely off. So I turned the controller off and flipped the breaker, so there shouldn't be any power going to the fridge at all. So now I can disconnect the battery altogether. Because even if you disconnect the battery, again, the fridge is still tied into the solar directly. So should be all good to go and start on the fridge. So to take this out, there's 3 screws up top and 3 screws on bottom, and then this thing's kind of holding it up there. So once you get those out, it should just kind of slide out. So looking straight back behind the fridge. I don't think it's this one. I think it's this one. I'm not sure how I'm gonna get to that just yet. So I think the only way I can reach it is if I come at it from this way. I kind of lean over real far. So I got this blanket here to protect the fridge from banging against the countertop. So let's lean this out. So I need to fix my fridge because we're going camping for a week. We're going to a music festival and this thing don't work, so I gotta fix it before we leave this weekend. Wow, that's miserable. Or is it this one? That one just plugs in the wires. Where the hell is that fuse? So I think it's kind of hard to see, but I think it's in this black box. There's a couple screws holding it together. See the fuse right there. So it might be kind of hard to see, but it's definitely blown. So now I got a brand new 15 that I can put in there, and I'll test that out to make sure it's working. So it's definitely doable with one person. What I did was just pulled it out and set it on this stool. That way I had enough room to lean in here and get access to everything. Definitely helps to have a skinny friend with long arms if you can't do it. So I think this thing goes in like a safe mode or something when you disconnect and reconnect stuff. So got the battery reattached, but it's not turning on. So what to do is connect it to shore power, which I'm plugging into our house via an extension cord and dongle. So get that plugged in and it should boot up. And we're booting up. It's got power back. Let's see if this turns on now. Ooh, don't fall. Oh, we got lights. Seems like it's working. Let's go ahead and turn it off though, because it doesn't need to be on right now. Sec. Just double check this turns on. Hey, look at that. We have power. That's pretty much all there is to it. Now I just gotta put everything back together. I'd say these two are done.